You know that rush of excitement you get when you first get something new? You rush to your front door and maybe it's an Amazon package, maybe it's some tech, a leather bag, or a jacket. Maybe you just bought your dream car, right? Everything about it feels perfect. The smoothness of the leather, the way it smells, it's fresh, it's vibrant, and it makes you feel like $1,000,000. But then life gets busy. Work, family, errands, your days fill up really fast, and the care and attention that you used to give it slowly slips away. I'm Evan, Leather Honey's leather care expert. Let's jump right in. Just a few months ago, my family and I went to a restaurant with our white designer leather bag. Somehow, chili oil was left on the seat where we had set the bag down and it got on it. So we freaked out because stuff like chili oil can easily stain white leather permanently. So without thinking, we rushed to the car and grabbed our Leather Honey cleaner wipes. Super handy. We cleaned it immediately and thank goodness we had it with us because it cleaned up perfectly. What's the lesson here? When leather gets spilled on or it gets dirty, it's best practice to act as quickly as possible because the longer that spills sit on your leather, the harder they are to remove, especially on light colored or delicate leather. We all know that life isn't perfect and sometimes you simply can't clean your leather right away or you don't have the tools to do it properly, and that's okay. What matters is that you don't let spills or dirt sit on your leather for days or weeks. Even if hours or a day passes, cleaning as soon as possible can still prevent stains and damage. And if your leather starts to look a bit dull or dry, don't stress. There's often a simple way to get it back on track. For pieces that don't need immediate cleaning, it's important to have a solid leather care routine that you follow without having to think. Monthly or quarterly check-ins with your leather to clean and condition it go a really long way in preserving its look and feel. Honestly, think of it like your regular house cleaning schedule. If you clean your home every Sunday, simply add a quick leather care routine on top of it, or pick a day at the end or beginning of each month. With Leather Honey products, we've done everything to make caring for your leather as quick as possible. And with a little routine, your leather will stay soft, clean, and protected without wasting your precious time. When you do get to your leather, start with our non-toxic Leather Honey leather cleaner and a microfiber cloth, using that to remove dirt, oils, and residues. It doesn't need to take long, and you don't have to scrub hard and get all sweaty. Let the cleaner do all the work, and then simply wipe off the excess. After drying, all you have to do is apply Leather Honey leather conditioner to restore moisture, flexibility, and suppleness. From there, let it dry for 24 hours and then wipe off the excess. It's that easy. Using both in the right order keeps your leather healthy and looking its best. Leather Honey products make this easy and safe for all types of leather. They're non-toxic, pH balanced, and crafted to protect rather than harm. Leather care doesn't have to be complicated. Spills happen, life gets busy, but a simple routine is all that you need to get your leather looking great for years. I'm here to help you protect what matters most, your leather and the memories that it carries. If you've been putting off leather care, consider this your sign to start. Use this code at leatherhoney.com for 20% off your first order plus free shipping. There's no better moment than right now to bring your leather back to life. Great leather care is possible even when life gets busy. I'm Evan with Leather Honey, and remember that leather is forever with Leather Honey.